We'll be live.
Today, I'll show you how you can download YouTube videos in audio or MP3 format on iPhone XS Max. Let's check out the process. Go to App Store and search for Documents. Install Documents. After it's installed, open. Swipe it to check previews, then open the home page. Tap on the Safari icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Type ytmp3.cc. And get out of the app. Then open YouTube and open a video. I'm selecting Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran. Tap on the share icon. Tap on copy link.
When your legs don't work like.
Open Documents. Double tap and paste the copied link on the search bar. Tap Download. Then tap Done. After the download is complete, go to Documents home page. Go to Downloads. You will see the audio. And you can listen to the audio anytime you want.